Hello, you guys. So this is gonna be an unboxing, and I'm gonna be opening the boxes that came in this box. Um, I'm gonna put it out there. Some of the stuff is for my business. A lot of stuff, actually, all the stuff is for my business. So, if you don't know, now you know. Your girl has her own business called Black Biz. Period. Heavy on the period. Okay, so if you're interested in that, all natural hair oils, natural leave-in conditioners, go ahead and hit me up. My Instagram, I'm put across the screen, is BLAC.KBIZ. That's Black Biz on Instagram. You can also reach me on my personal platforms, which is millennia.wade, on Facebook, Instagram, or even Snapchat if you are interested in buying any of them. And so go ahead and do it, y'all. Listen, I got transformation videos up there of when my hair was bald headed from what now. I have a ton of things. I'm working on learning how to do nails, braids, the whole 9 yards, y'all. Come with it, okay? 2021 is nothing but pressure, okay? Oh, girl, you actually. Anyways, don't worry about that. I just got the shower. Fresh, period. Okay, so speaking of my business, I had to reorder. I had to order some more bottles. The first time I ordered bottles, I ordered like 12 of them. So I just had to reorder. I had to re-up. And I actually ordered, I think it was 18. Yeah, 18. Order 18 this time around or whatever, because 12, obviously, if you sold out of 12, you need to up your inventory just a little bit to see how long it takes to sell out of that. So that's what these boxes are. They are very well packaged. That's why I ordered them from the same vendor I did last time. They are sold in a set of 6. But yeah, they are very well packaged. That's styrofoam on top and on the bottom. I'm not gonna be opening these particulars today. Actually, let me go get a bottle right now. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Alright, period. Back like I never left. This is what the bottle looks like if you're interested in purchasing. There's rose petals at the bottom, infused oil and everything, whatever. It's very, very good oil, all natural oil. This is what the bottle looks like. It's a 4-ounce bottle with a dropper. So yeah, got that. So I got 18 bottles of those, which is 3 cases. Yeah, which is 3 cases. I'll be opening these up and washing them. Start the washing process tomorrow. So yeah, like I said, you want it, baby, we got it. And I do ship. That's another thing. I do ship. Period. Thanks for everybody who has already supported my business. Thanks for people who will continue to support my business. Listen, y'all, this is so hot. I'm telling you. Okay. So yeah, I ordered 3 boxes of those. And then I ordered a acrylic brush. I already have one, but it's a size 8, and I wanted to try size 10 because I know, nail salons, when they use them, they use bigger ones. Also, this is a Kolinsky brush. Y'all, look at the bad boy, okay? Period. It's a size 10. I didn't need anything that was too cute, or whatever. But I can't wait to use this bad boy. Yeah, which is gonna be used pretty soon. I'm gonna put it back in the case so I don't misplace or anything, so I get ready to use it. But that's what it looks like. This was I think like $9, something like that. But it's a size 10. Right? And then I have a practice hand. As you know, I do my own nails. Ooh, ashy. Okay, girl. Anyways, we need to broadcast in the ash. So I got another hand. So that way when my nails are done, like now they're done, I have another hand to practice on. So we're gonna go ahead and bust this bad boy up. Open. Okay, so let's see. In here it came with an instruction pad. When you unbox it, it says you're supposed to get a practice hand, a card, a free gift, and basically like 3 pieces. One is supposed to be random. Yeah, no, I just got the hand, which I was interested in it because it moves like, let me see. Like, y'all see that? Okay. And that's all that's in here. It did come with a free gift. It's not sealed properly, but it came with a free gift, some gold plates, which is good because I already have silver already, but that wasn't sealed properly. But anyways, we ain't gonna cry over it. Oh, and it has some frequently asked questions on the back of the box. So can you use fake nails, UV lamp? So now they still do the stand separately. So, anyways, that's what that came with and everything. And then you guys, this is another one. This ain't labeled, but I already know what this is. Let's bust this bad boy open too. This is, first off, it came with a stand, right? I gotta put it together. But it came with a stand, and that's why I didn't buy the stand for the hand, because I figured hopefully it could fit on this one, so I could just use, because the head already came with a stand. So I was like, hold on, hopefully it, it fits, so then I could just interchange it. I could change them out. So yeah, and it looks like it's gonna fit, so that should be fine. I just have to put it together. But okay, we have her. She doesn't have a name. The hand don't have a name. Y'all know it's classic for people to give people names. I really want to name her now, even if the hand doesn't name. I'm gonna name her, and I'm not gonna open her yet. I'm like take her out the plastic yet because I want to wash the hair first. Yeah, just in case. But y'all, that's what I got from Amazon. Again, kudos to Amazon for shipping and everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you this now. It's gonna be a whole lot of videos coming out. This is a mood. This is a vibe. Okay. I should have got me some more tights. I'm gonna have to go back and get some more. But yeah, it's gonna be a lot of videos coming. Nail videos, hair videos. Cause listen, I got her to practice braiding, so I can perfect my braiding and getting faster with it or whatever. Cause I think I'm not gonna let my nails get longer than this. But that's the point. This is literally just an unboxing and to tell y'all, go shop Black Biz. Period. Okay. Black Biz. That's BLAC.KBIZ on Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, you can find me on Facebook at millennia.wade. Do I have? I got one in here. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. I've been reading. Bam. I'm put a screenshot of this on the I'm put a picture of my business card and everything. Listen. The first say 5 people who reach out to me and say you see me on YouTube and that what made you want to come to my business page and follow my business page. You have to go to my Instagram, follow my business page, go to my business page, follow my business page, like pictures, comment. You'll have a surprise. I will give you a discount on either a hairstyle that you want, or a discount on a product that you want. I have oil and I have a leave-in conditioner. Hold on, let me show you the leave-in conditioner too. This shameless promo. Bam, I have a leave-in conditioner as well. Or you can buy them as a set. I'll be selling these as a set as well. This is actually a disclosure. I'm gonna be selling this as a set. For $15. This is originally $8. This is originally $10. I will be selling them as a set for $15. That's not including shipping and handling. That's not including delivery fees. I do deliver to the Columbia, Lancaster areas as of right now, but it does come with a delivery fee. But y'all, I do sell these as I am going to sell these as a set. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Period. $8 and $10. Right? All natural. This is my liquid gold line. I'm going to put that out there. This is the liquid gold line. If you don't know about it, get on it because it's going to have your hair growing healthy and strong. The liquid gold line. Period. Again, let me give you another close up of it. All right. Now, y'all already know what it is. Y'all have a great day. Great day. Continue to support Black businesses. Continue to support women, just in general. Well, period. Well, people in general, because a lot of people going through a lot of stuff. But anyways, y'all, support my Black business, y'all. Anyways, and if you have any comments, questions, concerns, constructive criticism, leave it down in the description box. Leave it down in the comment section below. Yeah, and tell your mom, your sister, cousin, your auntie, your uncle. I said, hey, how you doing? And come on and buy the stuff, okay? Buy it on up, okay? And then they were like, girl, you ain't got enough. Well, listen, if you buy it and your sister buy it, I can buy some more. And, you know, we can restock. And we can always just have it on, you know, we kind of just on control, repeat. And it was called, we could have it, I don't know. Anyways, y'all, enough rambling. See y'all.